Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss is leadership versus management. First, scope. Leadership in it is only a part of management. Management in it is a broader terms which covers different job of leader. Second, meaning leadership in it is a act of pursuing behavior of people in respectively of reason. Management it is a process of managing people for a defined reason. Power leadership in the power of influence followers is informal. Management in the power of formally delegated by the manager to manage the subordinates. Structure leadership in leaders are present in both formal and informal organization. Both formal and informal leaders may exist in an organization. Management manager exists only in a formal setup of organization. There is no existence of formal manager. 5. Function leadership in it comes under the preview of directing, which aims to direct the behavior of employees to exploit their potential to the fullest. Management it covers 5 silent functions, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. 6. Focuses in leadership in it is focuses on changing condition, empowering and building the organization. Management it focuses more on the techniques of empowering the organization. 7. Leadership leadership in leader is responsible for bargaining, innovation and integrity. Management manager is responsible for creating efficiency and stability. Thank you. Like and subscribe.